All right, guys, today we are working on a 1976 Corvette Stingray, and we're going to be changing out these taillights. They're cracked and damaged. Let me show you the other ones. I took out the other. If you look here, they're all cracked. Now, today we're doing something different. We're using the Meta Quest 3 to do a demonstration here, and so it is really neat, but it's kind of costly to buy one of these, but anyways. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and change these out. Now I'll show you how to take them out, show you where to purchase them, and if you're looking for OEM, so from the dealer, if you're looking, you'll be looking at, this is, let me pull this down here, so you're going to be looking at about $275, right around there. These are actual brand new OEM from Chevy, GM, and these are the screws if you need to replace them, or you can go to your local hardware store and get stainless steel ones. Now there are cheaper ones also that you can get, which I would not recommend at all going with these $33 ones. They're really cheap. I've done them before. These actually are pretty decent, so the $92 ones if you don't want to go with OEM. But again, if you want to, there's the setup for you, exactly what you need. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're just going to take out the screws here. Just a Phillips head screwdriver. Pops out really easy. We're going to be painting this too here really soon. We're going to be using the Meta Quest 3 also to shoot this, so stay tuned for that. You'll be able to see how it works. Now, when you put it back in, the plug has to be upward, and so what you're going to do is you're going to just twist it and then pop it directly straight out. And these are the little notches that you do have to go back into when it's done, but if you notice, these have been on there probably since 1976. And here's the tabs here, right there, there, and there. So, and this one, now they don't have guide pins. Sorry about that. They have guide pins on the outer, but not the inner. So let's go ahead and we're going to be doing a lot of work on this Corvette using the Meta Quest 3 VR headset here. All right, so this is basically the same thing that you're looking at here. Now the pin that I was telling you about is this right here, and so looks like that was already hanging out here. So again, you're going to turn it and pop it straight out, and this pin slides right into here. So anyways, but hopefully this video helped you out. Yeah, it's just right in the in reverse here. Just go ahead and pop it in, lock it in place, and then again you want to have this one, if you notice, is dead set, so it doesn't make a difference. You just need this guide pin so you can slide it in, and then that guide pin has to pop in place, and then it locks in right here. Now this one sits up higher, so you do need to have it. If you notice, these are up higher, so you do need to lock it in and then slide it in at that point. So I'll put a description in here for you where you can get these. This is eBay. I don't know, $25 for eight screws is a little bit steep in my book. But anyways, I'll go ahead and put the links in here for all this, and hopefully this video helped you out, and we'll see you on the next one.